Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about recording lecture using a smartphone. So there are various ways to record lecture using smartphone. I am going to focus on two important ways. First way is recording yourself and the second way is recording yourself with board. So first of all we'll talk about the gadgets needed. Obviously we will need a smartphone, but it should have a good processor. Minimum RAM we should have 4 GB and at least 64 GB internal storage should be there, otherwise our smartphone will show lags. External microphone is highly recommended, so one microphone I have suggested over here, which is Boya. You can purchase any other microphone, but this microphone is of excellent quality compared to the price, so I have suggested it. And next thing is we need a tripod as well for good stability in the video, but it is optional. We can use another techniques to keep our video stable. Now let us discuss about the things that are important while making a lecture. So the first thing is audio quality. So most of the people ignore this, they focus on the video quality, but the audio quality is the most important thing while recording a lecture. Next thing is lightning conditions. So lightning conditions actually play a very important role when you are recording ourselves with some board. Next, stability is also important. The video should not be that much shaky. And background, when we are recording ourselves, the background plays an important role. So the suggested backgrounds are of a green color, red or blue, and not the light green, the dark green, and other two colors as well, dark. So this is an example of self-recording. So generally we use this self-recording for seminars and workshops. So this is a sample self-recording. So just I will play over here.
First of all, I welcome you all to this 1 week faculty development program on ICT tools and online teaching.
So what are our observations after looking this video? The first observation is audio is decent. It is not of excellent quality, it is decent. Lightning conditions are inappropriate because you can see that the light source is from the left hand side. So actually it
First
should
of all, I
be
welcome you.
exactly in front of us. Next is stability. Stability of the video is good because I have already placed a smartphone on a table. Next, background is decent but can be better. So in the video the background is of light color, so it is always advised to choose a dark background, mainly green, blue and red as discussed before. And the eye contact is missing. Now what is eye contact? Whenever we are recording ourselves, it is very important that we look in the lens of the camera rather than looking ourselves in the camera. So over here I am looking towards me only in the camera, so my eye contact is not that good. Now the thing is how to overcome these conditions. So in order to improve the audio quality, we should use an external mic. Now the question is how to use external mic. So external mic can be used with the help of the Open Camera app. So I am going to show you now how to use it.
So yes, hello everyone. Now let us see how to install this Open Camera app. So go in Play Store, and in Play Store we will type the Open Camera app, and once we type it, one can easily see this is how the Open Camera app looks in Play Store. Simply install it. Once you install it, I will show you how does it look. So this is the interface of the Open Camera app. As soon as you install, there are few settings that we should change. The first setting is that is important, that is the video setting. Go in video setting, and in video setting there is audio source. So once you install that app for the first time, the default audio source is going to be camcorder, but if the external mic is present, we want that the audio should be recorded from the external mic. So we should select the audio source to be external mic. Just take a note that this option is not available in our default camera app. So therefore I have suggested this open camera app actually. Obviously there are some manufacturers which provide this facility of the external mic, but most of them do not provide it, and therefore I am suggesting this open camera app for recording the videos. And some more settings are also there. We can always change the brightness as per our convenience. There are resolution options as well, but no need of going deep into it. We can lock the exposure as well, but as a beginner only we should know how we can record the audio from the external mic. Okay, so as I have already told you how to do it, and later on slowly we can explore the other settings also of this app. Thank you.
So yes, so this is how you can use external mic in your smartphone. Take a note that you should use this open camera app. So if you use the default camera app that is there in your smartphones, that will not record the audio through the external mic, because the default camera app generally does not support the external mic. Now the next thing is, what about the lightening conditions? So in order to overcome it, record yourself keeping window in front, as I have told you before as well. And for stability, use a table or something else in such a way that your smartphone does not shake, and so that it will avoid the disturbance in the video, and we will get a good quality video as well. Next is choosing the background to be dark, preferably of green, red or blue color. So once you overcome all these issues, then we will get a good quality of a lecture. Let me show you an example of it.
Hello everyone. First of all, I welcome you all to this 1 week faculty development program on ICT tools and online teaching.
Yes, so as you saw, so the most important thing of this external mic that I have suggested is, it is a mic which does not catch the external background noise. So as you have seen in the video, there is no external noise. You can hear only my voice. Therefore, I have recommended this Boya mic to you. Now, how I have recorded my video, this is a setup tour of that. I will show you that as well.
So this is my setup, and with the help of this setup I have shot the video of 12 to 15 seconds. So I have used this Boya mic. As you can see, no need of tripod. I have placed smartphone on a table and couple of books, but the important thing to note is I am sitting exactly in front of the window for proper lightening, which is more important in the video. And then just I have used this background. It is not necessary that you use it. Even if you have a wall, that is more than enough.
So that's it. This is how you can record.
So this is my setup.
So this is how you can record yourself in a nice and a proper way. Now, second type of lecture is recording yourself with a board. So this is one screenshot of my lecture that I have recorded previously. Now you notice few things. If you see the board, you can see reflection on that. And why that is the case? Because in front of this board there was a window. So whenever you are recording such type of a lecture, note that you should not have a window exactly in front of you. Otherwise your board is going to show a reflection. So in this case, you should have a proper lightning setup. So just I will show you how that setup should be. So this is how your setup should be. So this is the position of the board. From here you are going to teach. Exactly opposite to the board you should have a black screen. Obviously you can take the help of black cloth. Uh, Now the position of the lights is important here. So light should not be in front of the board, otherwise it will show reflection. Should be placed like this. So these are the positions of the lights. You can have two more lights from the top as well as bottom. The position of light from the top should be exactly on the top of the board, and the position of the light from bottom should be where you are standing. Okay, because the job of the bottom light is to avoid the shadows. In the sense, since you are going to have a light from top, so there will be some shadows on your face, so the bottom light will help to remove that shadows. So it is not necessary to have that two more lights from top and bottom. These two lights will be more than sufficient, but if you are having that two additional lights, definitely the quality will be improved. So that's all for this lecture. Thank you.